Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can make this UI which we made in React for a Spring Boot application more optimized. So it's looking good, but how we can make it more optimum, we are going to learn in this video. So how we can do this? So first of all, we just make the shape of these buttons. So just go to this REST home, and here we have buttons. So just I cut this button from here like this, and I paste this button at the last. So what I do, I put this button at the last here. Now I take one more button, that is insert button. So what I do, I just cut this button also and put here a down. After this I put here. Now in next step I cut update button also like this, and I put this button is after this button like this, and then I cut last button delete, and I just select this, cut this and paste at the last. Save this. Now we see some modification. You see we have this button, but these buttons are so large, so we have to reduce the size. For reducing their size, I need to fit here call 3, here call 3, here also call 3, here also call 3. Save this. You see now still we have a large size, so we reduce it. So I say call 2, here also I say call 2, here I'll say call 2, and here I say one more 1 2 delete, update, insert and get also, so I say call 2. Save this. Now we see these buttons size is okay, but text is going outside of this screen, so we have to set size also. So what I do, I just try to set the size of insert button. So yes, we have did. So I say insert student, then I say update student, and I say 6 here, and here also I say 6. Save this, and I say get info, we can say get student, insert student, then we have delete student, and here we can pass F6. Save this, and we try to see this. So again we have okay, but we can increase the size of these button little bit. So we can say call 3, try to see this is okay. Yeah, call 3 is okay. So again we can set this to call 3, and then we can set to call 3, then we can set to call 3. Save this. This is okay, but screen size is a little bit problem, so we can increase the screen size also. So it is 12, and here in screen size we are using call, so I can say this call 12. Save this. So that is not okay, we say call 10. Save this. A little bit okay, but not too much. So we have to, this screen is okay. If I click here, then information is coming, so we can do this. This is also coming, so we will modify this, but the problem here, this size is going outside of this, so we have to reduce the size of this. But if I reduce the size, then it becomes problem. So if I say 11, then it is not okay. So that would be 10, and I say call 2, again call 2, and here also call 2, here also call 2. Save this. You see, now button is okay, everything is okay, but we have to customize this also. So how we can customize this, we see that. So what we can do here, we have so much of line breaks, br tag, so we can remove this br tag, no need of this br tag right now. So I can remove this br tag also, no need of this, and I can remove this also, I can remove this also, no need of this. I can remove this also, and I can remove this also, no problem at all. Save this. So if we see that we have more customization, but here we have problem, so we just remove these problem. So what we do, after this we need one br tag, so I copy this and I insert br tag after all component, because one br is required. Save this. Now we see we have this information, no problem at all, but that br we want to display when we have a get at the, this way we can use this. So expression tag, here we have, and save this. Same I can use this also. For that I need expression tag here also. Save this. Same I copy and paste here. So I see this after post, I paste this. I need this after put, and I need this also after that. So if I do this, so I will have more customization. You see, click here, and we have this, close this, then we have insert, then we have update. But the problem is we have all these together, so we will replace it. So what we do here, I do here that all these property I will modify here. If there is a get request, then I will say get is true, all other are false. If we close this, then I say false to get. So no need of this, get is false. Then I need this also, insert true, so I say post should be true, like this. Then we have open update, then I say put equal to true. Then I need to delete, so I say del equal to true. Rest of all other are false. So if I click here, I have get one, no need to close. If I insert it, you see that is replaced. If I this, it is replaced. If I click, it is replaced. So we have this, but we have so many here, that's why it's looking so odd. But we can delete some ID also. So I say 15 is delete, and I say 14 is delete, 14 is not available. I say 16 is delete, yeah, deleted. I say 13 is delete, yes, deleted. I say 12 is delete, yes, deleted. Then I say information, 10 informations are here, close it. Then I delete few more. I say 10 is delete, yes. I say 9 is delete, yes. And if you see get, you see we have a get request also, proper way. Then we have insert also, then we have update also, we have delete also. So as per the screen, you see that we are modifying this information, that we having a proper optimization here of this layout, and we have changed look and feel of this layout. Each and everything is working properly. We can close also, you see. And if we close anything, so by default we can also open here. Suppose if I have a update here and I close this update, so I can open some other also. How I can do? I can do like this. Whenever I close, I just copy this. So whenever we have a close insert, close get, so we are closing a get. So what I do, whenever I close a get, I say false here, I just enable the get request, you see. So I copy this. So whenever I close the post, you see, close insert, so I just make this get true. Whenever I close the update also, so I make this get as a true. And whenever I just close a delete, I just make get as a true. You see, if I have get here and I want to set this by default, so what I do in the beginning, I made all the false, so I make get as a true in the beginning. Save this. Now you see by default is open, and I say insert, you see insert is there. But if I say update, update is there, this is there. But if I close, you see get automatically come. I have a this insert, if I close, then get automatically come. Same, if we have a update, I close it, then get automatically come. And by default also, if I refresh, then get we have. So you can see that now by default we have a get request, and if I close get, then I have get only, because I just keep this. Insert close, I have get, then the update close, we have a get. So like this we can modify this also. So each and every time, but we can't close this here because this is fixed for this. But if you want to modify, you can make some other component also on this closing. You can set other component also, but here we have a delete, I close, we have a get. So you see how just we can modify this, how we can make it more optimized also, we have seen here in this video. So that's all in this video. If you learned something in this video, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.